Muscle car enthusiasts and aficionados got to hang out and enjoy a fun day on the road during the first ever Dodge Drive. Hosted by the Auto Nation Group, local exclusive distributor for Dodge in the Philippines, the event brought together members of the Dodge Muscle Car Club, the Manila GTR Owners Club, the HP Club of the Philippines, and INI Mods for a fun drive north of the metro on board Dodge vehicles. Among the highlights of the Dodge Drive was an exclusive jaunt and photo op at the still-to-be-opened Sacobio Bridge. It was not all fun and games. The Dodge Drive itinerary included a meetup with peeps from NLEX Corporation for a special highway traffic safety course meant to generate awareness for safe driving and the proper use of highways and expressways. This is meant to highlight how Dodge defines power and performance as a way to educate and grow a new generation of better owners and better drivers.